How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel once again. I'm hoping you're having a great day and everything you try to accomplish this year, it becomes into reality. Welcome back to the channel. So we got a new heart for the 240SX. I went to go pick it up on Sunday from South Carolina, and we do have a little bit of issues already. The guy I bought it from, he just plugged the wires wherever he thought they would go inside the engine with the distributor. So we're trying to find out how they line up right now. It's a quick review on the engine. It's nothing special. I'm looking for the video about how to line up all the wires, and I don't see anything. So hopefully this helps you guys. If you guys are looking for the same thing that I'm looking for, I'm about to go ahead and put them together. Another issue with the engine is that it doesn't have a motor mount in there. The guy sold it to me with no motor mount, and luckily I have the other motor mount. So this side I do have the motor mount. This engine has less than 100,000 miles. That's what he said. I don't know if it's true or not, but from what I'm looking at right now, it looks pretty solid. It doesn't have no oil leaks anywhere, and so we're gonna put it to the test. I will show you guys how to also, if you don't have a pressure test to check the engine, there's another way you can do it. I will show you guys how to do it. This method works with any engine. I don't care what anybody says. That's how I checked the engine from the Nissan 350Z when I first bought it, to make sure that the engine was good. Basically all you do is go underneath here to the crank pulley right there, and you spin it. But since the fan is on the way, I had to take the fan out, and once I take it out, I'll show you guys how you do it. All right, stay tuned. All right, so what we're doing right now is we're gonna go ahead and take all the spark plugs out. Trying to make sure that extension is straight as possible.
What? Was this shit even tight?
That one's not even tight. So what we're doing is checking the engine, see everything is good, and the internal wise. What you do is you take all the spark plugs out of the engine, and then you turn the crank pulley. You gotta make sure that the crank pulley moves freely. So that's what we're about to do right now. So it's a 27 millimeter short socket and a ratchet. I'm about to go ahead and turn the pulley. So it's moving freely. You guys see that? It's moving freely.
Yeah.
So that's how you guys know that the internals are good. If you don't have a pressure test. Okay? See that? It's moving. Okay? It works like that on all engines. I don't care what anybody says. Also, let me show you the... I don't think you can see this because this is... Okay, turn. You guys see that? You can see the transmission moving? Keep going. You see it, right? If you don't have a pressure test, that's how you do it. You remove the spark plugs out, and then you go down there with a 27 millimeter and a ratchet, and you turn to the right.
Yeah, put your hands up.
What? You see that? Okay, I'm gonna do that one. Yeah.
You got your hands on it?
Yeah. Yeah. All right, so, well, you know, no, but basically, you know, that's how you find out. The reason why that thing is moving freely is because everything in there is working fine. Now, if you want to check the compression, then you get a compression tester. I don't have one, but this is how a mechanic showed me how to test the engine without having a compressor test, a compression test. So if you don't have one, it's another method you can do it, okay? So we already know that the engine's good, so we're gonna go ahead and start putting it together. All right. So also I have to either change the power steering pump because this one is from a 98 240SX and mine is a 96, and the outlet right here is different, so I have to like either change the power steering pump or change the pressure hose that goes connected to there. But other than that, I mean, it's a pretty good engine. I already checked it. I'm hoping that everything bolts right in besides the power steering. These engines are getting harder to find. However, you can find one, you just gotta keep looking. So hopefully by next week or by this weekend, the 240 will be running. I just gotta go get it from my house because I'm gonna do the installation here at the shop. So luckily for me, I had the the spark plug wires. So I was able to figure it out. I wanna send shout outs to the Sankey kid or Keith Sankey for sending me pictures about how these spark plug wires go. So he was telling me how they went. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys if you guys are looking for the same diagram. So this is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, that's how they go. And this right here on top, the lineup is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so if you guys are looking for this, because I was looking for it on the internet and I couldn't find it, so there you have it. If you have a KA24DE, this is what it's supposed to line up. All right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, all right. And also, same thing again, I'm gonna show you guys. Same thing, you guys see how I put my ratchet in there? Look, and you just turn. See how this one moves freely? That's how you know when nothing's wrong with the engine. All right? See that? All engines do the same thing. Now, let me show you. Let me show you how everything's moving, okay? See that? See that? That's how there's nothing wrong with it. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's blog, today's video, brought to you by High Life Tuners. Man, shout out to the Tuner Squad like always. And that's how you check any engine. I don't care what anybody says. That's how you check it. If you don't have a compressor test, you go straight to the crank pulley and just turn it. Make sure you remove all the spark plugs. And to make sure that it does have compression, you can also put your hand on top of the hose and it'll create pressure. You'll feel the air, okay? Until then, have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next one, okay? I'm out. Peace. One love, baby.